Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by collecting the essentials: your PubG UID, Apple ID email, device model, and any purchase receipts. Once done, open PubG Help or the official support form and choose Account/Linkage Issues. Provide a clear subject line saying you need Game Center unlinked. Explain why and state desired outcome. Make sure to attach screenshots of your in-game profile, Game Center settings, and proof of ownership. This starts the formal unlink process that PubG support requires. Now complete the ticket with specifics. Paste your UID, Apple ID, device model, and at least 2 screenshots showing the linked Game Center profile and in-game account screen. Once done, describe the exact action you want. Unlink Game Center so you can link a different account or play without that association. Make sure to ask for step-by-step confirmation and an estimated response time. That precision speeds verification and avoids back-and-forth emails that delay resolution. Once support replies, follow their instructions exactly and then test the result. Sign out of Game Center in iOS settings, relaunch PubG, and confirm the account is no longer linked. If that doesn't work, follow up with the same ticket thread, include receipts or device logs, and ask for escalation. If responses stall, contact Apple support to ensure Game Center has no active linkage on their side. The key tip: keep all original screenshots and ticket ID handy for any escalation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.